You yourself, you feel it's a prophecy and everyone needs to know and write it down. Why are we so hungry for prophecy? Why are we so desperate for prophecy?
Okay.
I see a prominent figure dying. And anyone that dies who's prominent, Professor what? Fulfilled. We are prophesying people, some of them are almost dead, they are sick. And he told me, this is the reason why my body, reasonable people can no longer come. Because people represent, that's why I was talking about a light that foreruns the light. Unless you are a light, you cannot forerun the light. Now, because some realize that, oh, something happened last time. Have you seen how many prophecies were given concerning a disease now? Every prophet is trying to make sure he includes also a disease. There's some kind of a disease that is coming now. Cover every area. But I tell you the truth, slowly but surely, as this light increases, you will notice. I'm telling you this, even as prophecy. Mature people, spiritual people are going to lose desire for such things. People are going to look for an authentic word from God and the manifestations of His glory. You yourself, you feel